Will never be my friend. 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 Sizzling up and cooking cooking lesson today from the dance chef.
And 4 people are stuck right.
Yeah, cooking lesson today, dance chef in the Gaza kitchen, up and forward. Monday worries, I'm on the worries. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on the worries, worries. Me not go run it down, me not go do nothing funny. It's so.
Like someone they go for them for me. Like someone they go send them. As soon as you one for the food basket.
Me not go put me at when me can't reach it. The cup on the pens, me not refuse it. And get what is for me. Up and sizzling. Really? Pick up yourself, Lee Wash. Up. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on the money. It's a legal tender. The priority for me agenda. Of the money. No, me not go stoop down for. No, me not go sell my soul over. Even though I want X5 and Range Rover. The money I feel up like that will road over. Me want money for my sons and my daughter to get a proper education. Yeah, up and gunning. Up and sizzling. Can't change me, that is it from the heart. Alright. Up and sizzling. Jerk chicken, madam. Jerk chicken. Fried chicken and stewed chicken. All chicken. No red meat today. You see? Yeah. No red meat. No, some chicken, fried chicken, jerk chicken. You know, people love chicken. Alright. The thing done seasoned up already, done marinate already, well marinated. Yeah. And I'll put them in a piece. Yeah. That's in a dash. And I'm watching on that's a few piece of jerk accordingly to the people. I'm on the worries. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on the worries. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on the worries. Everywhere you go, it's the same. Up and sizzling. Yeah. Alright. That. We're oven well hot already. Even though I jerk chicken, you know, the oven me are doing tonight in the car. Can't bother go outside now. Make up a big coal fire for us. 4 little pieces of chicken. Nah, we're not just chopping in the oven, you know? Yeah. So the chicken ready? Put it in the oven now. You see? Up and going. Yeah. That I check. But an hour well cook, you see. Alright, that's one down and a few to go. One down and a few to go. Yeah, rice and peas, fried chicken, stew chicken, and jerk chicken. All chicken, no pork, no beef, no lamb, no fish. Not like that today. I know you cook pork for the people then, you see. Oh. Yeah. Alright. That down. Food from me, plenty money, everlasting water, me deep from the spring. It's so amazing. It's my constant spring. Jah allow me heal. Alright? Peace Spot Radio. Yapping rice and ting. Alright. Unto thee, say children. Stop praying. I just got me back on angel that guide me. Alright, line up in the Dutch pot. Forget the chicken and frying up. You see, up and cooking lesson. So if you want to know if you cook the Jamaican style, you see, just take a look at Dan Chef thing. You see. Alright. In the meantime, between time, and we don't like my place messy, so I think keep the place styling. You see, food and hygiene is good. Yeah, no messy. Workstation. Expect for reap what they don't so. Tell them nothing, don't go so. I saw them stay from them little and I go. Them say them are your friend, them are your person, they meet them are opportunists. Might as well them go. You're trying your best to make it in a life. Then won't give a fight. The more you strive, they see very clear. And them a try to sneer. Tell them beware. We well prepare. I jam me prayers. I jam me. Me no know all them bad minded so. Expect for reap what they don't sow. Tell them nothing, don't go so. I saw them stay from them little and I grow. And them alone. Why you know they have nothing in a life? Alright. I love. Get my oil into my Dutch pot. Yeah, for fry up these chicken. Tell them nothing, don't go so. I saw them stay on the little and I go. I am the apple and a pot way. Now them two on high and spook because every word and take them at the corruption. Come them out before they start in accusation. But mine I was sweet verse on me. That always provide for me. And when my back is against the wall, bad mind I go sleep, my downfall. Me no know how them bad mind it so. Okay, alright. I in a pot. Get my eye hot. Let me start putting the chicken. But in the meantime, between time, I'm gonna wash my rice because the peas pack already. The peas already cooked, so I just need to finish season up and put in my rice. So rice and peas, gungo rice and peas. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, man. So I'm not talking to things, man. Madness. Different attitude. You see me? It's like, it's so insane. It's so
Insane, so insane. It's so insane, so insane, so insane. Never have a thing, no everything change. This what up on them. This what up on them. Nobody one of them want to be my friend. Fresh and clean. The personal hygiene. They touch the street. And it's not no dream. So insane. So insane. So insane. So insane. So insane. So insane. Me used to stand up, can't splash me up. It's not an object. Everything half a set. Everywhere me go, people are all up in. It's because of the food. That shoe them and no say. All right, give me white rice wash. I think I'll add a little bit more. A little bit more. Yeah. All right, get this wash up. When I eat this a dry bread and go to bed, no man curse. Yeah, cause I said them trap pandemic reverse. It's all insane. 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 Nobody one of them want come. And made them step out fresh and clean. Personal hygiene. I'm living my life and it's not no dream. It's so insane. It's so insane. Yeah, wash up my rice. Wash out the starch out, right, you know?
I don't know what to say. Can you say some Kardashian and some television? And the chef.
Oh, funny, funny. Yeah, make sure it wash out all of the starch. Yeah, wash out all of the starch, you know. Rice and peas, gungo rice and peas. Gungo rice and peas. Girl, them a trap me like Interpol. Girl, them a trap me, the girl, them a trap me like FBI. I saw them a watch me. Girl, them a trap me, the girl, them a trap me like Interpol. I saw them a trap me. Girl, them a trap me, the girl, them a trap me like FBI. I saw. Yeah, rice and peas now, rice and peas, fried chicken, jerk chicken, and stew chicken. Beer chicken now up to them, beer chicken, and then the people them want, so now forget them what they want, though. Alright, rice, wash already. So I'm gonna put it in the pot now. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the peas, because the peas done seasoned up already. Yeah. Them a say that me too girly, but if the bird what a piece of the action, me have to give them this satisfaction. Okay, look, I'm not easy. Cause them don't know how me turn already. Rock, Girl, them a trap me, the girl, them a trap me, like Interpol. Girl, them a trap me, the girl, them a trap me, like FBI. I saw them a watch me. Girl, them a trap me, the girl, them a trap me, like Interpol. I saw them a trap me. Girl, them a trap me, the girl, them a trap me, like FBI. I saw them a watch me. Night and day, them a watch what me do, and listen to everything me say. Like a purse, I saw them want snatch me. Money in a bank, I saw them want knock me. Like the food in a pot, I saw them want yam me. Want own me. Girl, them a trap me, the girl, them a trap me. So them a trap me. I saw them a trap me. Like FBI. All right, that is that. Rice in a pot. Ready for us. Cook down. You see? So that is that. All right, man. I want to add to the chicken. Rinse up jizzle like a frying man for those. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. They don't know the pressure we hear. They really don't know. Them not really care. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. All right, remember? Pressure we hear. They don't know. They really don't. Yeah, when the chicken line up, you know, we fry. So, you don't have to eat now. I get some flour. All right, that is that. All right, flour. Flour to put the chicken in. Some people use egg and coat the chicken. But me not to use the egg on the chicken, you know? Yeah, but I use on the flour I use and a bit of seasoning. Yeah? I'm not tell them the secret, you know. I'm not tell them the secret, you know. I'm just go the ideas. Yeah? Yeah. Negative people, they're real apart. If you're optimistic, then shine like a star. Look at the book, first apart, like a real chapter. So you know my personality and character. So don't take me far, no push over, and don't take me far. No weakness, you know what my friend them. I like the ends, you get the drink. Alright, flour. Flour. And a bit of a little flavor and thing, right? You get the drift. Listen to my statement, read it or you do see the evidence, check my profile, multi-talent and skillful.
They never know me, but we never have a telephone. Through the bad mind and unspoken loss, in a people, don't we can't have a trust. You never know mankind so evil lost. You know, say time is so perilous. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live.
Wow. They don't know the pressure we bear. They really don't know.
I them don't really care.
All right, the mixing the season with the flour. Yeah.
They don't know the pressure.
And I'm going to take the chicken into there and put them one into the pot and give them a nice fried, nice fried. Not KFC, you know, not KFC. This is not KFC chicken. This is DFC chicken, right? Non-chef fried chicken. Yeah. Best fried chicken. Hey, one of the best fried chicken. Not joke about it. KFC now nothing for me when it come on to fried chicken. Nothing on me. Nothing, man. Nothing on the chef. Yeah. All right. That is that. Get the chicken off the fridge. Yeah. Chicken well seasoned from last night. Well marinated. So when this done fried, I the finger you want to eat when you eat them chicken out. You see? Alright. See that? And well seasoned, well marinated from last night on the fridge. Yeah? So what I do, as I said, some people use egg yolk and soak the chicken into the egg yolk, but I'm not doing that way. I'm not doing it that way. I'm just putting the chicken into the flour that I put my little secret ingredients into and put them into. You see? Like that. Like that. All right. See that? See that? Yeah. Okay. That. I will not already, so we can start put them in one now. You see? Yeah. Yeah, fried chicken. Fried chicken. And stew chicken. I be a chicken now, I be a phone now, I be a phone. Be a phone now, cook today. Why, I'm ready to fall cook. Ready to fall cook. Too much innocent killing, too much blood is spilling, and the youths are the victims. When they will be a change, take away a call us under privilege. Why put an entire village? When there will be a change, then to open prayer. That's why I've got Chinese light there with. In your life, stay focused and don't go astray. They want to see we go down. They want to see we go under the ground. They don't want to see we rise. Get to youth, element of surprise. Okay, go. All right. That is the amount, the pot, the whole. I should use a bigger pot now, but I don't know. I'm only part time to spare. I'm only part time. Yeah. I'm only part time to spare. Still, you know, me a 40 to All right. So they put it on the pot and ting and ting and ting and ting and ting and ting.
And the body that you with now, war and crime will now and now. If I got to take them out of them crying, today for you that morning.
Yeah, this is a little, it's a little trick my grandmother teach me. Cover the pot while it's frying the chicken. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that helps to make it cook inside of the meat cook. Sometimes you ever buy chicken, a fried chicken shop, and when you break the chicken inside you can see blood and all of them things inside the cook. Yeah. This is a trick. Cover the pot when you fry the chicken, you little, and inside the cook. Better, you see. Alright, that is that for now. Tomorrow bring what tomorrow bring. Every day me get up and pray. Me thank Father God to see another day and guide me along life way. While the sun shine and get what is rightfully mine, cause no one follow your dreams and to be right now. Nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah, clean up the workstation as I go along. So anyone, make use of life. Live it the way you want to live. Life is a journey, it's full of mystery. Today you see me, and next time you don't. Life is so precious, don't plant it about. While there is life, there will always be hope. So people give up and say them can't hope. Nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah, clean up the workstation. Tomorrow. Yeah, rice and peas almost finished. Yeah. Yeah, when you don't you will see it on the story. Post a picture of somebody on my story so you like can see it. Keep that covered for now. Alright, I can get a next time here. Yeah, that is that. And the meantime, between the time of doing that, here me I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna cut up some. I'm gonna do some steamed veg as well. Oh, and sizzle it. Oh, and sizzling. Yeah. Look at that, man. They get in there, they get in there, they get in there. Yeah. You know what the menu is done, and the food is ready. So you got to finish the order before the food done.
Sister, food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food man.
All right, now I'm gonna have some
Food man, they got the food man.
cabbage.
Food man, they got the food
Some
man.
steamed cabbage now here it now. So wash. Everything must wash. Everything needs to wash. Yeah.
Make them move, no walk one furlong. Make them know what's making furlong. Complete job in a style and fashion. Let them know me that they lay go man.
All right.
Four man, they got the four man. Four man, they got the four man. Four man, they got the four man. And we can't got them and take say on. These are people that they feed them on. Active and sound, keep open and down. We got them kind of in the morning. This is that thing from something. They don't want the whole till the evening. Rice and peas and toast and chicken. That's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, curry goat and plain rice.
Wednesday, you know what church chicken. You know that.
Thing is pig and the king.
So let me have some church chicken.
The chicken, the beer, and the keep waiting. Four man, they got the four man.
Food man, they got the food plan.
Four man, they got the four man. And we can't get them and take say on. When them taste my French fried chicken, them say KFC don't feel panicky. Them say they can check it up before key. Straight from Jamaica, straight to Paris. That's why they come to Jamaica. They say I'm chatting. Alex Susan, them get the same thing. I'm glad she love me dirty. She love me cook her up early in the morning. Like I make her up the steak in my kitchen. Soon I'm big belly text.
Cabbage.
I eat curry goat and rice. We got the corn egg.
Hey, cabbage.
Four man, they got the four man.
Food man, make that the food plan. Food man, they got the food man. I'm yelling.
Them a text say one. Four man,
They got the food.
four man, they got the four man. Four man, they
Nah, put the word right to another song.
It's a chicken, they them on. African sand, dumpling and jam. Liver, and the eat the morning. Sometimes I can fry dumpling. Then the one to go till the evening. Rice and peas and toast chicken. That's a Sunday, Monday, okay. Tuesday, curry goat and plain rice. Wednesday, you know what your chicken. You know what that thing is, and the king.
Everybody back home is
Say in the kitchen, the chicken, the beer, and the keep waiting. Four man, they got the four man. Four man, they got the four man.
okay, go.
They got the four man.
Some green and some carrot and those things.
I want to some man. You know what I said you don't want to come on now, I tell you again. You know what I want to move man.
That it could be somebody. Things would be tight, stop hurting up your big head. Be glad to see that it could be someone else. If a girl left you one time, it's time to move on and stand firm and no And now, shoot me a speak. Obsessive, possessive, compulsive. When she asleep, she tell him, don't do it. When she in a bed, that thing, he must sleep, he must eat enough man, make enough woman she. Be glad to see that it would be someone else. If you did not treat your girl right, things would be tight, stop hurting up your big head. If it wasn't me, be glad to see that it would be someone else. If your girl left you one time, it's time to move on, real man, stand firm and on it. The mobile na ring, me take up my phone, now me start listening, me hear, yo, my youth. Cause a culture never put in your skin. So what? Wrong phone you ring me, my drink. Everything is everything. something not right. If it wasn't me, it came to see. If it did not, things would be tight. Stop hurting up your big head. That it would be someone else. It's time to move on, real man, stand firm on it.
There are so many doctrinal contents and the people in my head will keep first. And when they always are people,
All right. All right, check up on the chicken then. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Yeah, they're looking lovely. They're looking lovely, lovely. Golden brown, golden brown, golden brown. You have this? Mike. That time like Atma. Take the time, man, you're burning me. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, chef. All right. Can leave the car outside now, you know? Let's now the car out again. All right, finish stealing the carrot. Carrot for one, man. Carrot. Come on, girl, and she can ride. Take them to places that them like. Love to treat the bird, them extra nice. Show them what a real man is like. Treat the bird, them like they mark the first price. That they keep in the upper, shoot the first side. Meditate you, all the crash and light. You want to put on your feet, you want to give a life. What you call them want the real boss man? They want a man to massage them whole body down. Them want stability. Yes, them want. Yeah, cooking lesson today. Cooking lesson today. Jamaican fried chicken, jerk chicken, and stew chicken, alongside some bongo, rice and peas, and some steamed veg. Yeah. If I mention, you don't have to do anything. If not, you are going to see your dad. And the next month, you have to about your dad. And you never Steve Ben. And the next month, you have a lot of bedroom cut up. And the next month, you have a wonderful time. So not take takes. And it's a top of legs. So school, you take the fruit and change. Come on, girl, and she can ride. Take them to places that them like. You know, to treat the bird, them extra nice. Show them what a real man is like. Treat the bird, and like them at the first place. Happy to meet you, I'll shoot the first sight. You have to take you. Every time I like you, I'm going to put on your ring. You want to give a wine. I need that man. Where is this man? Foolish. Yeah, we got a sweet pepper. them chicken out ready to jump out. Yeah. Your friend. Look at that, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Lovely. Lovely Jamaican fried chicken. KFC now, nothing for me. Marley's now, nothing for me. Golden brown. Golden brown. Yeah, that is the first round. First one of the fried chicken. Yo, Ryan, you want chicken? No, we're too late, you know. No, we're too late. And most of them are almost gone already, you know. Alright. Next portion. Second set. Dan Chef fried chicken. Wicked. You have to taste it to believe me, you know. You have to taste this chicken of it to believe. So one of the wickedest fried chicken around. So why them too damn precious? That's right, and any man I trust. Some boy will kill up your mind. Why some will kill up your ride? Some boy will kill up your swagger. Woman a leader, boy we no follow. Will never be my friend. 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 Okay, that done already. Yeah, I'm gonna say wash up as me go along. You know. I'm on the worries. Yeah. Come on, don't say what I done. I'm on the worries. Me not go run it up. Me not go do nothing funny to get some. And like someone they go bust them gun. And like someone they go sell them home. As soon as we have to work till the kids are class home. One for the full basket. Me not go put me at when me can't reach it. The cover, the pace, me not choose it. Me not go make poverty get the best of me. Me have to go there and get what is for me. Me no sinners, finance, they go. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on the worries. Cooking lesson. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on the worries. You see it? While you're cooking, you clean up your workstation. Don't make no way back. Dirty thing piled up. You see it? Don't make this workstation crowded and messy. Yeah. Cleanliness is part of godliness. When you're cooking, your place of it surrounding must clean. Yeah.
Can't you believe that it's straight from the heart?
Practice proper hygiene. Food hygiene.
I'm on the glory. Everywhere you go, it's just saying, I'm on the glory.
Okay, let me finish. Dice up this thing again.
Money, money, money,
Money, money, give me. 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 Money, money, for the whole world. Mr. Bank Manager saw me money quickly. Me tired of the money to keep the face me. Anna, me I don't go to the maturity cause everybody want money. And brings me the money can stop me life out. Even though a body mine I don't have them up. Remember, me have a big family and only my friends them are depend on me. It's the same right. I'm on the glory. I'm on the glory. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on the worries. I'm on the worries. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on the worries. I'm on the worries. Everywhere you go, it's the same. Yeah, cut up the sweet pepper, the tomato, onion, and scallion for the steamed veg.
What is the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Now, wisdom is more precious than silver and gold. Silver and gold will vanish away, but wisdom is here to stay. Sister! I don't care. It's out of here. You're talking.
I make a beginning and the end. I never end friend. All the man, I them never rebel. It's been a bird. Yeah, see that? See that? See? We're pretty. Healthy. Steam veg, never steam all of these now. See it? Yeah. He made the heaven and he made the earth. He made create. He never made no mistake. He put me eye, me nose, me mouth, everything in a place. Time of need, he put food in on the plate. He drink from the spring. It's so amazing. Only in with the body set the children at Israel free. Here I am, shown in a sea. Me no fret, I miss me no worry. When the wicked them start dreaming, Jah got me back an angel a guide me. But them can't touch my soul. Jah got my life under full control. Hear me people up and coming. And chef in the Gaza kitchen, you know we eat around here. Music and food. Music and food to the world. Yeah. Remember people subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dan Chef TV. Yeah, Dan Chef TV, follow me on Facebook. Dan Chef Records. Yeah. up and running.
Talk
Sizzle.
to some people. Tell them to clean up and go to that forward again.
Yeah.
You see that?
Dan Chef TV on the YouTube. Follow it, subscribe to it, please, and thank you.
I'll set you read what they don't sow.
Okay.
Tell them nothing don't go so.
Up again.
After them keep on the little and grow. We don't know how they back on the so. Expect to read what they don't sow.
Wow. Rice and peas finished. Fried chicken almost finished. Take a look at my jerky in the oven. Because I'm not a big fan of no cold outside, you know. No, I just few pieces now, so that makes sense, man. Fill up cold fire and go down in and out, in and out. Some of the short in an oven. You see, in an oven every. Where is mine? It's a little firm.
You know, just keep a family fear, a family fear, a family fear. We don't know how they back on it. So,
Yeah.
expect
Take a little one now.
so.
Yeah.
So,
Get in there.
answer them keep on the little grow.
Yeah, to get there.
And then I go to your editing and I
So let's take a little while. We don't know how they bad mind it. So expect to read what they don't so. Tell them nothing, don't go so. I saw them stay on the little and grow.
I am your friend on a bad mind. Now them too bad mind and I spoke because every word and take nothing go out. One them up before they start in a change.
Yeah.
Mine not the same person.
I will serve a cup of tea. In the meantime, between time,
It's against the bar.
well, I wake up and I never drink a cup of tea for morning. Shame on you, chef. Shame on you. You should have a cup of tea for a long time.
Expect to be what they do so. Tell them nothing don't go so. Answer them
Yeah, make yourself a cup of lemongrass tea. Yeah, here herbal tea we drink around here. Herbal tea around here. You see, if I'm a Cersei, a merengue. If I'm a merengue, a ginger. If I'm a ginger, a turmeric. If I'm a turmeric, a lime and lemon and all those things. Yeah. Herbal tea.
It's like
It's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes.
it's like it's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes.
Yeah, Alamita. Honey. Yeah, can't take too much of the sugar, you know? Too much sugar not good for your people. Too many sugar not good for your people. So if you can cut down any sugar, and use honey instead.
It's all it takes. It's all it takes.
The swagger, it's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. You stand up. No more can't splash me up. No money. It's not an object. Common lifestyle change everything opposite. Everywhere me go, people are follow me. It's because of the money. No for them would have like it. But I true, they don't know.
It's all we say. It's all we say. It's all we say. It's like ah, it's all we say. It's all we say. It's all we say. Swap it and mash up your cake and say, "Mommy, pull up this swap, no a them drop it. They know where me come from. When you have to eat, it's a dry bread and go to bed. But you got grace, and we say no one cares. Talking Lord, I'm not the worst. Here cause I say them trap and then make me curse. So you hear me?
Swagger, it's always.
It's always it's
Yes, people, write some piece for land.
it's like it's always
Yeah, rice and peas already cooked. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it off the stove and get something else on the stove because I have some veg to steam. So I'm gonna take this off and put that right there. And I'm going to go for my walk. Jar for my walk. For my steam veg. So insane, what's swagging at the place? Big up on yourself, people. Big up on yourself. Up and gunning. Dan chef, straight out of the Gaza kitchen. You know we do it around here. Music and food. Music and food to the world.
I don't know what to say. There's some collection and some collection.
Alright. Finish with these. The last set of fried chicken. The last portion. And listen to everything we say.
Like a first, I suck them once. Now, take food in a bank, I suck them one. Bring a big food in a box, I suck them one. And big food in a bishop, you put them one, 4, 3. Galema, truck, baby, galema, truck. Like to the boy, I suck them a truck. Galema, truck, baby, galema, truck. Like every out, I suck them a wax. Galema, truck, baby, galema, truck. Like to the boy, I suck them a truck. Galema, truck, baby, galema, truck.
Yeah, that's so funny.
And I say that they are feeling pretty.
And I said, me gonna feel it pretty. I food me a cooking a bit community. So tell me, girl, them come watch me in a me kitchen. Come watch me on the stage. Come watch me in the studio. Come watch me. Girl, them a trap me. The girl, them a trap me. Like interpol. I saw them a trap me. Girl, them a trap me. The girl, them a trap me. Like FBI. I saw them a watch me. Girl, them a trap me. The girl, them a trap me. Like interpol. I saw them a. Don't play with the chef. How is the multi-talented skillful around here?
Them a set up make you girly. But every girl want a piece of the action. You get to defend the satisfaction. But them don't have no need to trap me. Cause they don't know how me can everything. Please don't go no wrong. Hey,
Them a trap me like interpol. I saw them a trap me. Like FBI. I saw them a watch me. Like interpol. Girl, them a trap me. The girl, them a trap me. I saw them a watch me.
Them a watch me night and day.
Them a watch what me do and listen to everything me say. Like a purse, I sort them one. Money in a bank, I sort them one. In a big pot, I sort them one. To me, that is Galema. Yeah, you're not showing me. Veggie. Get on my walk and steam down. Yeah. Oh. That's what them a chat me. Right here, say hi. Right in top ball. Right here, say hi. Yeah. Yeah, go and get some of these things out the way.
Sizzle. Good. Rinse up jizzle.
Yeah, cooking lesson today. Grand chef up on a cooking spree today. Cooking lesson.
We don't know the life that we live. Them I know the pressure we feel. Them really don't know how them really don't feel. Them I know the life that we live. Them really don't know the life that we live.
They don't know
The
this.
pressure we feel.
They don't know
How
what.
them really don't feel.
None of them don't want to reach nowhere. But some of them don't want to get my share. We work so hard every day and night just to take care of the kids and wife. And none of them want to like make you half a share. All them don't want me to go through the gate. Them think of our what you can see attack.
Stop being a marriage. That's what they snap. They move like to see you can take them every time. You get people walking inside the
Yeah, all right.
But time when the buckies are things go
People, up and running.
They're not a silly fraud. They know the life that we live. Them we don't know the life that we live. They know the pressure we feel. They really don't know again.
Yeah, my last set of chicken. Look at that.
The life that we
Look at those lovely piece of berry. Eh?
They know the
You want a bite?
They really don't
Take a bite if you eat chicken.
It's a superstar that is so big hard. Running this set, me up on this hard. Me never got the shot, me never got the bar. Negative people, them me no part. If you're optimistic, then shine like a star. Look at the book, why do you go, huh? First of all, they got to read your chapter. So they know my personality and character. So don't take me far, push too far. But don't take me far, don't be tense. You know I fight friend them, I like the taste. They don't know the life that we live. Them really don't know.
Okay, dog. See it? The chicken finished fried. Chicken finished fried. Rice and peas done cook. Fried chicken finished fried. Jerk chicken in the oven still. I'm going to do it thing. So, I'm going to start chew down some chicken. I'm going to start fry some more chicken and chew down. So, I'm going to say a chicken day today. A chicken day. I'm really chicken barn. No goat, no cow, no pig. A sheep. A phone now day today. A phone day. A phone day. Yeah, phone day. That chef. Gaza kitchen. Up and cooking. Up and cooking. You come yourself for Marley. Yeah. Don't play with that. Don't play with that. Don't play with that. Yeah. We don't have a small one in our kitchen because, you know, it is dangerous in the kitchen. I can spill and burn, so we don't keep little children in our kitchen. Yeah. Up. Pick up on yourself, people. Dance chef to the world. Jerk chicken, fried chicken, and stew chicken. That's what Dan chef cooking today. You see, when I finish cook, I will post it on my story for you like to see. So you can check it out on my YouTube channel, Dan Chef TV. Remember, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Dan Chef Record. Follow me on Facebook also, Dan Chef Records or Dan Chef. You don't know the score. That little white cap, that chef cap, and me. If you type in Dan Chef, and you see that little white cap with that blue Simon DCR, that's me. So follow that page, Dan Chef. Up and running, pick up on the same people. Much love.
You will be to appear crime on violence. Long girls violence with no comments. Black, you black, you can not.
All right, steam veg. Steam not steam some veg. See it? Steam veg. Steam veg. Out of the map. So when he brother from a different mother, what I like to take the life of another brother. Too much innocent, too much blood is spilled. Get your youths are the victims. Carlos and the privilege. Why he put a entire village? What's the way to top it, sell us for the youth? Just as many youths are missing, just it's for the youth.
All Babylon do is for execute.
Unity and the body that you with now. Wow, and
Crime we know and I know.
because that is it, the mothers kept crying.
This is the civil for them morning.
Too much innocent,
Too much blood is spilled.
watch this. Show off this aisle. I need this spot for you as well. Why you put that in you see, that's why when you're in a restaurant, you have to wear the right garments, the right shoes, shop, and the right clothing. That means if I or any little thing show away from you, safety, everything. So if you're in a kitchen and you're cooking in a slippers, if accidental oil or water spill, hot water, you will burn up your feet. So in everything you have to have safety. You see, up and gunning. Just as way you tell me, all Babylon do is what it says. Unity and the body that you with now. Wow, and crime we know. Because that is it, the mothers kept crying. Too much blood is spilled. Get your youths are the victims. Why he put an entire village when they will? I'm going to say nobody knows the future. But scientists, and I'm a fortune teller. They must presume. And I make assumption. Sizzle! Nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah. Wash out. I need it. Show down there. The chicken and I as well. Yeah, the carrot's getting there. Steam carrot, that's it. Look at that. Steam carrot. Yeah. And get what is rightfully mine, cause no one can stop the hands of time. Follow your dreams and aspiration. Do it right now, don't wait too long. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow no promise to anyone. Make use and life the best way you can. Live it the way you want to live.
Like it's a turn, it's in a mystery. Today you see me, next time you touch. Like it's so precious, don't count it up.
Yeah. Get myself ready for the next portion of chicken. This chicken one I don't know. It's true chicken. So I don't know. I fry them and then I cook them down. Yeah. So I want it power. Yeah. I want it power. Don't play with the chef. Chef work is not easy work, you know. Chef work is not easy work. So don't think so. Not easy work.
Remember that we all are human. So even every animal is surprised. So you push your brother down. He not a Christian. Divided we fall, united we stand. We don't know when we shall be caught this land. And move on to the other one. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Yeah, people, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Up and gunning. Up and gunning. Up and gunning. I'm getting there. I'm getting there slowly but surely. I'm getting there. This food soon be done cook. I'm getting there. Yeah. Up. Is the music done? Music done. They don't want to play no RS music, but that's why I play my tune them in the car. Every time I play other people's music, Facebook mute me. You see, so you don't run back the tape again. Yeah, I run back the tape again. I might tune them so Facebook can't mute this. Oh, big up on yourself, people, up and gunning. Yeah. Get used to them.
Sizzle in my kitchen. You know the menu is out and the food is ready.
So you got to place your order before the food done.
Sizzle.
Place your order before it's done. Food man make that the food. Food man make that the food. And me all the girl them a fix it. Them a wanna let it the food man. Food man make that the food. Food man make that the food man. And me girl them a fix it. They don't want a electrician and they don't want a technician. They don't want a physician and they don't want a fireman. They don't want a soldier man and they don't want a policeman. They don't want a gunman, they don't want a madman. Where they want I get the food man. Me get the chef with the food plan. Feet up and can make them chang. When me get love them long. Make them look one flavor for me. You see that little flavor for me cabbage. Eat up and a silent fashion. Let them know me that they ready go man. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got that's it for now. Food man, they got the food man. And we can make them and fix it on. So the food can be them on. Coffee and salt, we don't bring a jam. We back and color the in the morning. Beside that cutting fry on plate. They don't want the bowl till the evening. Rice and peas and toast chicken. That a Sunday, Monday. All right, people, pick up on the self. Yeah, what? Wednesday, you know what church. Pick up on the self, pick up on the self. When the food done, everything finished. I post it. I post it over the picture from the story, so when you can see how it look. And if you don't want to taste it, I want to get local. You don't know where to find me. You don't know where to find me, dog. I don't know where to find me.
French fried chicken.
I don't know where to find me, so if you don't want food, let's check the chef. The chef is not me, you know. The chef is very, very kind. I love to eat food. When it comes out to food, from your ox, you will get. From your ox, you will get. So, you know, if you find the chef, if you want. So, yeah, well, pick up on yourself. Make a laugh. Right? And of course, the story will come around like on the scene. So, bless up on yourself. And remember, subscribe to the YouTube, Dan Chef TV. Yeah, follow me on Facebook, Dan Chef Records. Yeah, that's the girl. Dan Chef with a white cap, Amina. Or this page one day, man. You can follow the page as well. So big up on yourself. Up and gunning. Bless up.
And sound is dumpling and down. Liver and color the easy one. Sight like that in the fried dumpling. Yellow one of the moon till the evening. Rice and peas and toast for chicken. That's a Sunday, Monday cooking. Tuesday, jelly toast and plain rice.